Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually style your braids, be it long or short, how you can actually have idea of different way you can style your braid. I noticed that a lot of people are actually struggling on how to style their braid, and that is where I come in. That's the reason why I said I should make this video and show you guys few ways you can actually style your braid out to look very beautiful, which I am very sure that a lot of you might not know of these styles, or maybe you've not seen it, or you've seen it and you don't know how to style it. So on this video I'm showing you how you can style your braid. Yeah, so let's get into it. But before then, do you know I actually braid this hair myself? If you've not seen the video where I post a tutorial on how I start and finish this braid, please, I'll be linking it. Click on it and see if it's going to help you to try to make your braid yourself, DIY your braid. This braid is so long. I'm going to lose it now, drop it for you guys to see how long the braid is, even though I even have to cut it halfway just to make sure it's not super long. I have to like cut it, add a curl to it for it to look this way. I actually did it on my 40th birthday and it came out really beautiful. A lot of people like it. So if you're thinking on how to braid your hair yourself, how to DIY your braid, and you've not have an idea on how to do that, just watch that video. I think it's going to give you morale for you to be able to like sit down and want to braid your hair yourself. So without talking too much and keeping you guys on this channel for too long, let's delve into the video. What I notice is that a lot of people don't know how to like pack the hair upwards, like upward this way. Some they just pack it and it goes backward. If you like a high ponytail, I'm going to teach you how you can make it high, how you can like make your braids this high, and it's very beautiful. While you're having it this way, you can flip it backward if you want, which is very nice. You can flip it to the side. Also, you can wrap it up. This was what I carried on my birthday, and a lot of people love it. It came out really beautiful. You can wrap it as a ponytail. Do you get that? Do you see how that look? It looks so beautiful, and bet you it's not falling, it's not going to unravel, it's just going to be like this until you're tired to unstyle it or maybe drop it. It's very beautiful. You're doing one style and you're using it to create something else. I'm going to be leaving a short clip of my birthday video so you can see how I style it and then drop some two braids at the front, and it came out really beautiful. This is going to be a style 1, so let's get to a style 2. The braid is very long. Just like I said, the braid is very long. So you can also have your braid this way. See how beautiful that looks. Do I look 40? Excuse me, I don't look 40 at all. That is what this hair knot will make you feel like, make you look younger, looking like a doll. And it came out beautiful. Just look at that. And if you want to go further, you can also wrap this. You know, you're having something dangling there. If you want to make it more better, you can just put it underneath the braid. So this is one other way you can actually wrap your braid. Look at how beautiful this look. Let's move on to the next one, which is the third style. So on this style, you just section the amount of hair you want to drop at the front. So I think I'm good with this. I don't want it too much. I like to knot it with some edge control wrap. This is the header you use to lay your edges. So I just like to use this. And with this style again, you can actually switch it from this and then style it this way. You just use your hand, section it the way you would want it to go. And then I know I carried this style for some days and a lot of people like it. So you can just switch from having the drop done, then switch it into this. So at the beginning of the video, I actually mentioned that some people don't know how to pack their braids on a high ponytail. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now on this video. So when I want to knot my high ponytail, I will normally just flip my head downward like this. Put it at the back of your braid. And then knot it. And then you just tie it. Now you have to flip it backward. You see how easy it is? So now you start to wrap. So this is how you get to knot your braids on a high ponytail without no stress. It's very simple, because I noticed that some people, even though they want to do the high ponytail, the braids end up going backwards because they're not doing it this way. So I cannot just end the video without showing you guys how to completely pack a ponytail without no stress, no drama. So that's the simplest way you can make a high ponytail on your braids without stressing yourself. So if you think this video has helped you in one way or the other, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not part of this family, change your look, because we are actually changing people's look, changing your body, changing your hair, changing everything about you, and make you look super, super fabulous. So if you're not part of this family, please do me a favor and hit on that subscribe button. And wait a minute, don't leave without dropping a comment. Let me know the style you actually like. So if you're making your next braid or you already have braid on, which style would you try first? Which packing style would you try first if you have a braid, or you're thinking of braiding your hair or making a long braid as long as this? So the styles I just showed you guys are simple styles you can just pack. You don't have to be a pro for you to be able to pack it the way I pack it. If you want to pack it and you think you're confused, you don't know how to do it, come back to this video, share with your friends and family. I believe they're going to love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. And don't forget, I'll be leaving the tutorial on which I braid this hair from start to finish on my bio, or I'll be flying it somewhere on the screen. Don't hesitate to watch that as well. Hold on a minute, and please share with your friends, and don't forget to drop a comment, right?